What is intestacy in the probate process? Have you ever wondered what happens when someone passes away without a will? This situation is known as intestacy, and it can lead to a complex legal process. When a person dies intestate, their estate is distributed according to state laws rather than their personal wishes. This is where the probate process comes into play. In the probate process for intestacy, a probate court steps in to oversee how the estate is managed and distributed. The court appoints an administrator, who is often a close relative like a spouse or child. This administrator has several responsibilities. They must identify and take inventory of all assets, pay any debts and taxes owed, and distribute the remaining assets to the heirs as defined by state law. State intestacy laws create a hierarchy of who gets what. Typically, the surviving spouse is first in line, followed by children, parents, and siblings. If no eligible relatives are found, the estate may ultimately go to the state. It is important to note that intestacy laws usually only recognize family members or legally married spouses as heirs. Friends and married partners or charities will not inherit unless they are specifically named in a will. Interestingly, not all assets go through probate during intestacy. Some assets, like those held in a living trust, joint ownership with rights of survivorship, life insurance policies with designated beneficiaries, and retirement accounts, often pass outside of probate. These assets follow their own set of rules for distribution. From the perspective of elder law, intestacy can create challenges for older adults and their families. Without a will, the distribution of assets may not reflect the deceased current wishes or family dynamics. This can lead to disputes among family members and delays in settling the estate. Elder law emphasizes the need for proper estate planning, including wills and trusts, to avoid intestacy and ensure that assets are distributed according to an individual's intentions. In summary, intestacy in the probate process occurs when someone dies without a valid will. The court oversees the administration of the estate, appointing an administrator to manage the process. The distribution of assets follows state intestacy laws, which prioritize family members. Understanding intestacy is vital for effective estate planning and can help prevent complications for families during a difficult time.